on. My first load is January 18th of this year. First load, new truck. Yeah, bunch of dumpsters going to Grand Junction from Arvada, Colorado. Yeah, bunch of stuff to tell you guys. Got myself a new truck, took it about a month to get it finally ready for the road. Had a bunch of problems with it, but I'll tell you as I go. So, should be nice. It's a Western Star with a Detroit DD15 505 horsepower 2018. Hopefully it's going to be more fuel efficient than the Peterbilt. That's the reason I got it. Alright, let's do this. I did my delivery and already did my pickup. A bunch of fencing and tubes and a couple pallets. This is going to Oregon from Grand Junction. Now I'm wondering if I'm gonna get in trouble for having one strap on the back pallet. I mean, that strap is 5,400 pounds and that pallet doesn't even weigh that much. So I'm wondering if I have to put another strap there, but we'll see on the weight stations if I get pulled in and told if I have to put another strap. If I do, it's okay, it's easy. I'll just move one of these over, scoot this one over, and just strap it with two. But this is my next load. They say it's right now it's Friday, and they say that delivery is Tuesday of next week, but I'm gonna call them and find out if I can deliver Monday. Snow is projected in the future of this trip because the broker asked me if I have snow tires or chains, which I do. So hopefully I get to do this without putting on any chains, but we'll see. All right. This is Idaho pulling up to Ontario, Oregon. That's in like 15 miles, but it's raining here. But I-84 westbound is closed in Ontario, maybe because of the haze, or maybe there's black ice or a snowstorm, I don't know. Today is Saturday. Got a check engine light on. That happened yesterday. I think it needs a regen or something. But yeah, this is it. Still hauling that same load. I can't say it like that. Delivery's Tuesday. I called the shipper to see if they can receive on Monday, but they said because of the weather they're gonna receive Tuesday. So most likely gonna get to Ontario and then stay there until Monday. Do my 34 restart. But we'll see. This is not even bad weather. I don't know why they keep closing the road. Compared to I-70 in the mountains in Colorado, yeah, this is like nothing. The struggles of being a owner-operator or a truck driver in general. I go to One Loves, ask him, do you guys have an air filter? Yes, we do, come by. I get there, they look at my air filter, they go write the part number down. They write it down, they go look for it. No, we don't have this type of filter. I'm like, okay. So I take that part number. I go to another Love's like 200 miles away. I ask them, do you guys have this filter with this part number? They're like, yes, we do. They sell it to me. Where's it at? Right there. I open the hood, take out the original filter that's in there. This is a completely different filter. The wrong one. So now it's 150 bucks. I gotta go take it back to them and get my refund. Oh well. I-84 Oregon. So Oregon is like this. Hills and mountains and like kind of like Colorado kind of, and then closer to the ocean is where the big evergreens are and everything. But this is pretty cool. I think it's like my third or second, no, I think it's like my third time driving through Oregon on this semi truck. I like it. Downgrade at 6%. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks awesome. What is that? That's a billboard. Thanks for getting my windows all dirty. Wow, look at that. That's awesome. Oh, and he's gone. Let's turn it. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. Let's turn on four-way flashers. God, my camera does not want to focus. Alright, I'll turn it off because that's pretty dangerous, like doing this. Still coming down. One of those. There's the road to go Well, made it to Troutdale, Oregon. It is raining here. Just like how I remember Oregon, always raining. Look at this. It was raining and freezing rain. Everything's all iced up. There's trucks that are all frozen. Here's my load. Just checking it. All these covers and bags and everything ripped. But that's all right. They said no tarping is required. But yeah, it's like 34 or 35 degrees right now outside. Wind, as you can tell. Windy and raining. And yeah, I'm glad I got here today, not yesterday or the day before, because it was not a good time here. It's all icy. Oh, I almost ate it again. Wow, geez, that's crazy. Yeah, like look at this crime truck just frozen. Okay, now gonna be hanging out here until Tuesday. Well, Monday. Everything's frozen. That light post, the snow I'm walking on. Look at that, I can walk around and just break. Wow. That is something. Trucks had to put chains on to get into this parking lot, Troutdale. This is like my fourth truck I've already seen with chains. Pretty gnarly, pretty gnarly. Good evening, my friends. Just got to my pickup. It's like 6:30 or 5:30 in the evening. Getting loaded with lumber, going to Anaheim, California. Need to put on these wonderful, wet, dirty, black 8-foot tarps on this thing too. It's nice that they have a very bright light right there. I was driving through a little town right here and I was thinking to myself, how am I going to tarp this? So the good thing this guy said, he's like, the only thing about this load, it's gonna be light. And I was like, dude, that's a good thing for me. So let's get this loaded and continue our journey. This is load number 2, load number 3 on this trip. So they told me I had to leave their yard to tarp on the side of the street because he's loading up their truck. Oh man, stepped in there. Oh wow. Well, that's dangerous. Now I'm gonna roll these out, tarp, and get going. Just entered California. Oh, that's a sweet mountain right there. Ooh. That looks sick. Wow. What up, everyone? Already did my delivery. I now pulled into this empty warehouse. Get a pickup from Carson Carson, California. I don't know what I'm picking up. Maybe those white pallets. Maybe those green ones. Maybe those brown ones. No, not the brown ones. Those are for flatbed or box. So we'll see what I'm picking up, but I gotta tarp it, so pretty cool. Yeah, it was a little hard for me to back in here because the street out there across that, after that fence, is really tight, and I was parked this way. So I came in through another entrance right here, came in into their parking lot, went out, went this way, kind of backed in my trailer between this truck and then there was space, and then kind of like went, snaked in and out like in here. Yeah, it's not that easy with a spread because that trailer does not want to turn. This thing's right here. Look at this thing. It's pissing me off because at night you can like hear everything. The gap is just, I think they tried to pry it open. They might have locked the keys in there because look at that. And then right here too. I think they were prying it open multiple times to get in it. And that's why they bent it. I think I might have to get a new door or something like that. Anyways, yeah. We'll see what I'm getting. And then loading it and going to Denver. Hopefully gonna try to deliver tomorrow so that I can have Friday, Saturday, Sunday off, and then Monday go back to work. Let's go. Yeah, this one's a hassle. This one, you gotta think about this one. This is a 3 tarp system. 6-foot drop in the back, 8-foot drop in the middle, 6-foot drop in the front. And I'm struggling with this one. I had it initially in the front, and then the back ended about right there. But the 6-foot tarp ends right here, so this would have been open. So now I'm messing around with this one, but we'll make it happen. All right, here's the finished product. Looks a little ugly, but it'll do. Had to put some moving blankets in between, right there, and on the other side too, just to get the product safely to the people who ordered it. All right.